Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessie, and today's video, I don't know how to start this intro. Seriously, I've been repeating myself for like 10 times now. So I will be doing my makeup room, and I want you guys to join me. So this is going to be 50% done because I still don't have any furniture that will be inside my room. I'm planning to put a wall mirror. You know what? Whatever. Let's just start the video. Oh my goodness, guys. Look what I have to deal with. So we are going to transform this room into my makeup room. By the way, that clock is not mine. So just so you guys know, don't expect it around my room. But, So yeah, there are so many things that I need to work on. Actually, I don't have any table yet. I'm planning to put the vanity right over there. I'm not going to have any impressions vanity or anything like that. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to improvise because I just wanted it's too expensive, let's admit. It was like, aside from the fact that it's too expensive, I know that I can have the exact same thing if I make it on my own. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end of this video, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start working on the windows because if I move to that corner right over there, people in the street can literally see me and I'm not liking it. So I'm gonna take that down, and then I've shown you guys this one in my haul video. This is actually a shower curtain, and I don't want to go to a craft store anymore and excuse me, buy a cloth just to make those curtains. So I just decided to get this one, and this is $11.99, and I love it. It feels soft, and the color and the design is just right. It's just exactly what I was looking for. Not too much, but just something that will complement the design of the room as well. So I'm gonna cut this in half, and then I will show you. I have a tiny scissor. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. I'm just using one hand. So yeah, it's a good thing that it already has these fold marks, so I'm going to use that and then cut in between. Oh my gosh, guys, we have a situation right over here. It doesn't have any hook. I'm gonna cry. But knowing me, I'll find a way. So I already put this down, and I'm so excited. I'll show you guys how am I gonna do it. I'm going to improvise. I'm gonna find a way. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just messed it up. Oops. What am I gonna do? So I was sitting here for like a complete 5 minutes thinking if I have like hoop earrings or anything like that. And then I remembered, I mentioned this to you guys last night, that, oh, this is such a cute ribbon. I'm going to repurpose it. So I was thinking of using this to connect it here, because this one, even if I tried to put the rod inside. However, this is stopping it from going through the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna use this ribbon and see how that works. Yay! So I already pre-cut them. Of course, I'm lacking ribbons, and I saw this. I'm just gonna use this one. Oh, it's such a cute bag, but I have to. This is the finished product. Ta-da! So I decided to cut the ends as well because some of them are like running, and we don't want that. So I made sure that they look like really nice, cute little bows. I decided to put the white one at both of the ends because it's not gonna be enough if I do like white polka dot. So the dominant ones, I put them in the middle. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm just gonna finish the other one, and then we're gonna set it up right over there. Go ahead and do that one. So what I'm gonna do is that nothing really like major or anything, but I'm just gonna fill that with some palettes and probably put something on top. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, I still have a long way to go. I'm gonna put some of the palettes over here in my bin. Keep them really nice, organized, easy access, and all that good stuff. Girl, so John Ray and I, after having lunch outside, he said that, you know what, let's go to Hobby Lobby. And of course, what happens when you go to Hobby Lobby? You buy something. So this is the perfect table for me. All right, I didn't really expect that this is going to be the one that I'm gonna buy. By the way, I'm just showing you guys how to remove a sticker from glass. You know, it's so annoying if you're gonna use your nails and then when you peel it off, there's gonna be like glue residues and you're gonna be miserable and sad because it has glue marks and all of that nasty stuff. So you just put water on top of it, and I'm just going to put a dishwashing sponge on top of it as well to secure the water. I'm not going to use the green part of it because that's going to scratch the glass. And then the paper will absorb that, and then it will lose the tackiness of the glue. So I'm just going to wait for an hour and then peel it off. You will know if it's ready to go, if it's starting to get darkened a little bit. So while we are waiting for that, let's go back to the makeup room and finish our business. By the way, mind you guys, it took me like 3 freaking days to unpack everything, and we are still not yet done. Girl, I still have a lot of makeup and it's not gonna fit in the cubic anymore. So what I'm gonna do is that if you guys have bought something from Clinique last holiday, you will have one of these boxes, and I think it's the perfect time to repurpose the box as well. So I'm just gonna put the leftover makeup right here so that in the meantime, while I still don't have any extra drawer, it's gonna stay right here. At least it looks really nice and cute. Okay, why did I say okay? Something else. All right, going back to the table, as you guys could see, it is already translucent and it's ready to go. So the paper did not really came all together with the glue, but you can see the strip of glue with it. So what you want to do is be patient and gently peel that away. So guys, this is my old vanity. This has been with me since 2016. As you guys can see, it is already old, but for now, I have decided to keep my light bars instead of buying the 6 bulb that I'm planning and paint it all white to make it really nice and complement all the colors inside my room, because I wanted the room to be bright and, you know, something that when you look at it, it's just so relaxing and neat. I love black, don't get me wrong, but I wanted it to be pink, white, and gold. So I found this brush at Michael's. I literally spent like 30 minutes inside Michael's and ended up buying nothing. Michael's is pretty expensive, not unless you have a coupon. I just recently became a member of Michael's, so every purchase you have, they give out coupons, which is really nice. So if I only knew that, I could have bought like 1 item and used the 40% off coupon for everything else, but it's too late for that. So maybe in the future, you know, I'd be more aware of like what's going on. So I am slowly painting it white. If you're asking where I got the paint, it was actually a leftover, and we just discovered this in one of the drawers right over here in the house. So there are streaks, but that is okay. What I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna do 1 stroke so the streaks would look nice. You know those barn stuff, they have like brush strokes? I don't really mind. So this paint is actually pretty good. It dries up very well and pretty fast. It's going to be dry for like 3 hours or an hour actually. But I've decided to continue the project the next day because I'm so exhausted at work. And this is what it looks like. I want to add another layer so it looks pretty thick and you can't barely see through the black of the previous paint. If you are going to make a DIY, make sure that after that DIY, you're going to totally enjoy whatever you did. Otherwise, it's not going to make any sense. And to me, if I know that if the turnout is not going to be as good looking as, sometimes I do risk it, but sometimes I just end up buying it because, you know, if the DIY that you're planning costs more than an actual product, might as well buy it. But doing DIYs really makes you feel very relaxed, and it's like a really nice weekend, you know, activity. So I can clearly remember that I was like really sad and depressed about the fact that back then it was 2015. John Ray and I went to Michael's and I saw this and I was like, you know what? This is going to be perfect for my little area. And he said, we can't get it right now because it was, you know, my life turnaround was pretty difficult. It was like high, low, mid, something like that. So when I saw this, I've actually completely forgotten about this already because I was like, you know what? 17 bucks, 16 bucks for like a piece of glass, like whatever. Since it's my first time, this is not discounted. So I bought this along with this. So you guys probably know the ah! Oh my god! Some of the balls, now these are dirty balls. Y'all are nasty. So you guys know my evil plan for this one, right? So what I'm gonna do, since I'm a crazy psycho, oh, by the way, these fillers are around $7, almost like $8. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wash them. Call me a psycho, but who knows where these things came from or where they have been or whatever. So I'm just gonna put that there, wash them, and I'm pretty sure that when I get back, these are all clean. So recently, Miss Constance gave us this basket and it was filled with goodies for the dogs. And there's a gift card and there are candles. It's very nice. How thoughtful of this woman. Oh my gosh, I love her. So the first time I saw this basket, I already knew what to do with it. And actually, John Ray called it. He said, "You're gonna take the basket, aren't you?" And I was like, yes, please. So I'm going to do the exact same thing so it matches the whole room. I'm going to paint it white. Yes. And the dogs are around. By the way, Princess is on heat right now and they're like trying to multiply in front of me. And I'm like, guys, don't do this. All right, guys, are you all ready?
is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box down below. So I'm still planning to do like so much stuff on it. So if I ever add something major or like do a vanity, of course I will let you guys know. And once everything is set, then I'll make a video. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!